So guys, let's cook egusi soup using dry atama leaves.
Heat the oil, feel the sizzle swirl. Add the onions, let them twirl. Spices in a dance so free. Cooking dreams in harmony. Chop the veggies nice and fine. Every color bright as wine. Stir the pot with magic touch. African flavors mean so much. Taste the love in every bite. Flavors bold and just so right. Tradition in a simmering stew. Cooking up a dream come true. Grains and meats all tender now. Steam rising like a gentle vow. Mix it till the flavors sing. Joy in every dish we bring. Palm oil them like the sun. Pepper heat makes cooking fun. Every meal a family thread. Story shared over.
So you don't have to use your atama leaves like this. You have to make it smooth a bit. So I'm going to toast it on fire so that it will become hard and very dry. And then I can just squeeze and then turn it to powder. Not powder like that. Just roughly, roughly blend or something like that. That's what I'm saying.
Palm oil golden like the sun. Pepper heat makes cooking fun. Every meal.
So I'm going to be washing the atama leaf with warm water.
Taste the love in every bite. Flavors bold and just so right. Tradition in a simmering stew. Cooking up a dream come true. Taste the love in every bite. Flavors bold and just so right. Tradition in a simmering stew. Cooking up a dream come true. Taste the love in every bite. Flavors bold and just so right. Tradition in a simmering stew. Cooking up a dream come true. Taste the love in every bite. Flavors bold.
So after adding the leaf, I like to just boil for 5 minutes and that's all. Your egusi will. Oh, so egusi is ready.